Hey everyone, so yes, this is Sai Kiran live here, and today we are first time like what we say that doing a live stream along with a green screen. So that's why you are seeing my cap and all coming in between. Yeah. So right now I hope that you can listen to me very properly, right? Yes, every one of you can listen to my voice. Can Hey everyone, hey, hello. I hope that you all are fine. Can't hear you, not audible. Is it audible right now? Is it audible to you guys right now? कैमरा बंद है कैमरा बंद है जल्दी जाएंगे we are actually having a kind of a setup done over our green screen right now, so that's where our like just we will be starting it in like 2 minutes. Today our day one will be starting in 2 minutes. We are having a small what we say revamp up on the green screen, so we are just getting live ASAP right now. So in the meanwhile, just please introduce yourself, right? I'm looking to the chat. So in the meanwhile, you can introduce yourself from where you are and from which city you are and like why you are here for like how you heard about us. So are you excited about learning Python along with us? Just I wanted to know about these all things. Please put up this all in the chat right away so that I can see and I can announce few names like who are I hope that you can hear us right now. So yep guys, just please go ahead and introduce yourself so that we will be able to see you all guys chat in the chat right now. So yep, I have Tejaswini is from Pune, and afterwards we are having what we say that hey, let me just do a transaction right now. Okay, that I hope that you can see me right now. Yes, you can see me. So you may see me like what we say sometime a transaction happening in from here to there. It's totally fine. So what is that? I am Rizwan from Chennai. I'm Pune with Java background. I am Dhanashri from Pune. Okay, and I am Shri from Kanpur. Okay, Kanpur. We reached till Kanpur right now. I'm Soumya, graduated yesterday on BSc IT. Wow, congratulations, Soumya. Then we will go from I'm from Bangalore. Ranbur, Vizag, hey, alone now, Vizag, and Yashwini from Andhra. Then afterwards, Mumbai. Hey, how are you guys from Mumbai right now? Omkar Kadam, excited to learn Python from LetsUpgrade. Very nice. I just need our team is getting started right now with our what we say our live chat support. Hey guys, so this is Sai Kiran and I'm the 21st century teacher, which I call myself, and I'm here as one of the core team member of LetsUpgrade. Okay, so yep, we all guys are gonna learn about Python together. So please introduce yourself. We'll be starting about learning Python in just while in like 2-3 minutes max. We will be starting it across. So you guys will be able to. We will be starting the classes just away right now. So yep, just in the meantime, please go and introduce yourself. Right? Please go and introduce yourself. Please go ahead and introduce yourself. Hey Shivanshu Agrawal, right? Hi Shivanshu Agrawal. Muskan from Pune. So how you heard about like LetsUpgrade? I want to literally know about this. How you even got to know about like LetsUpgrade, which is one of the what we say training provider these days online. We want to change the way education is going up. So yep, I just wanted to know this all. So please put up in the chat right away, guys. And today we are actually experimenting with the green screen. So if at all this doesn't work tomorrow, again we'll go back again to our what we say the age-old style teaching. This full block there, and let me just minimize my own screen here. So yeah, this would not affect your learning anyway. Okay, so Akshay from Pune, Insta. Okay, you got to know about us from Instagram, and hey, Pranjal Patel. Okay, very nice, awesome answer from someone he got to know. And friend suggested, recommended by friend, my friend, word of mouth, word of mouth, word of mouth. Wow, awesome, amazing. We are loving the way this is going ahead right now. So yes, guys, let me just start with today's whole class, and yep. So we'll be starting today's class here right away. And okay, so let me just go ahead and present my screen, and let me just have the screen transaction right now. Okay, I hope that you can see my screen right now. I hope that you can see my screen. Can you guys see the screen of mine? I mean, like, can you see the screen right now? Okay, so this screen is not getting changed right now, I think. Let me just go and change it manually. So, yep. Okay, I hope that you can see my screen right now. Yes, so okay, guys, so let's go ahead and start with our today's whole class right now. Yeah, just a minute, just a minute. Uh, Studio mode. So I'm just making up it for like the full what we say that your very nice experience. That's what I'm like trying my level best to be here, and yeah. So yes, I think right now it's all okay. So we can go ahead. Okay, guys. What we say just okay. So I think right now you are able to see my screen very properly, and let's go ahead and start our today's whole lecture. In the meantime, what we say that I would love to ask my teammates to please fix up this camera thing. More lighting is required for this green screen, I think. So yep, guys. So now let us go ahead and start with our today's whole class. Okay, so first thing, like the first and the foremost thing, before like we are starting it across, we want you, every one of you, to just go to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, post that you are learning Python along with what we say, along with Let's Upgrade. I just want you all guys to go and post about us that you are learning Python along with us. Just we want you to just to guys to go and post it across. So we will be like having it for like 2 minutes. Just go right away and post it across your all LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, or any other channel, Instagram, Twitter, any other channel. Just go and post about like you're learning Python along with that is Let's Upgrade. Just tag Let's Upgrade wherever you are like going ahead and putting it across. And I will assure you that you all will be having a wonderful experience along with Let's Upgrade. So just to make sure that uh, just go ahead and put up this review. In the meantime, just give me 1 minute, guys. I just need to make sure the webcam is set up properly so that I can see you guys very nicely and you can see me, and we can go ahead. Just give me 1 minute. In the meantime, you are posting it on our Instagram and all. Just give us like 1 minute time. So I'll be just back here again. So कल उसको निकाल कल करते हैं इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट आज थोड़ा उल्टा पड़ रहा है राइट का Yes, right now it is totally fine for me at least. So, no. And I'm using this light, so let's put up this light. So guys, there is a small technical glitch at my end, so that what we say that, oh, I'm very sorry for this. Your experience is getting bad right now. I hope that I am back with my audio again, guys, right now. So my green screen was giving me a small trouble, so that's where I have just made sure that it doesn't hamper us. Okay, so just give us a small amount of time, little bit more, and we will be making sure the green screen is not hampering us so anymore. So yes, let's go ahead and start with our class. Everything looks fine. Okay, so hey guys, we are very sorry for like today's setup glitch and all. So we were trying to do something, but we were like literally getting this all issues because of a green screen is not working up. So yep, not an issue. We will be like doing this experiment tomorrow again back. So yes, so now we will be just doing this experiment tomorrow again back, and we will make sure that you guys are having an amazing experience along with us. So yeah, now let's go ahead and start our today's lecture, guys. Sorry for this delay and all. So we were setting up a green screen so that you can have an actual end-to-end experience how a developer studio actually looks like. So yep. Okay, so I think I am back again here right now. Okay, so now yes, let me just give you a full program overview. What is that you are going to learn, and what is that you can expect from this whole free coding school, and what is that actually like is going to happen up in this whole free coding school of Python. Okay, so yes, now first of all, what we say that, what is that you actually want, everyone, I mean like you all want to like learn Python, and you all want to get pro at Python. That's what you all want to like be here for. So now just keeping these all things in our mind, what is the full thing you are going to learn? If at all you all received an email, right? You all have received an email from us stating that what is that you are going to learn. In that what we say that in that particular thing, we have made sure that you all will be learning starting from the basics of Python to what we say that we will be going ahead till the generators and what we say decorators concept. Okay, till that point of time we will be going ahead. So that's what is going to be like fully completed end to end. Now let's go ahead, and how can you join Let's Upgrade's daily classrooms? Just go ahead and please subscribe into our what we say like subscribe into our YouTube channel, because that's the only way like you guys will be getting to know about us daily. So we will be not like what we sending any kind of emails or SMSs or WhatsApps, because you can understand thousands of people sending them all together every day. It's gonna be a very big glitch for us. So just we request you all to please go ahead and subscribe to Let's Upgrade's YouTube channel right away. Just go subscribe it. You will be all getting the notifications daily before the class starts. Every day the class will be at what we say every day the class will be at 11 a.m. in the morning. So it's like for the next 7 days upcoming, the class will be at 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so now the first part, like who will get certificate and from where? So the answer to this is every one of you who is completing the whole examination, and who is completing and who is building the whole projects along with us. Okay, so they all will be getting certifications. Okay, so the all people who are completing their examinations and the all people who are completing their what is a project buildings, this batch we are starting this new, we will be not certifying that hey you completed Python. We are going to certify that hey you are actually what we say a Python developer who had built this project. So that's the small difference we are going to create right now. Can this course be done by a person who is from non-tech background and doesn't know about coding? 100% it is totally fine, guys. Like what we say that it is totally fine for us to go ahead with that. So a person who is not having any kind of technology background, okay, they can also come and do this program. And now yes, now let's just to have a little bit friendliness and all. We are here to do only one thing, that is to learn Python, nothing else. I am Sai. I know 4 languages. Even fifth one I'm learning right now. I know Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil I'm learning, English I know, and Gujarati I know a little bit. So there are 6 languages if you see it that way. So mane Gujarati avade che and Telugu na kochu, Tamil konjam konjam theriyum, and what we say Marathi mala yeta hai. तुम्हें मला मराठी में बात करो सकते. And Hindi मुझे हिंदी आती है बहुत अच्छे से. You can talk to me like in Hindi. I am a pure Indian guy who is like here to just make you all guys a Python pro and a rocket scientist in Python. So that's what is like we are all together here. Now let's go ahead and sorry for the bumpy start which we had today, but keeping this all thing in mind, let us start. So from where you all will be, आपको कहाँ से certification मिलेगा? So you all will be getting certificates from LetsUpgrade, ITM, NWIT Labs, and NSDC, that is from Government of India. So these are the 3 bodies which will be certifying you as a Python developer. So yes, now let's go. How to join YouTube live every day? Just go subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now, sign into all the notifications, just go and do it right away. If you don't do it, then don't ask me like, hey, you have not sent the notifications. Your job, just go subscribe it and you will be getting the notifications daily. One thing I can assure you, एक चीज जो 100% I can promise right away is, whosoever is going to complete this program dedicatedly, they are going to be a Python pro. Till now 5,000 guys have completed their certification along with LetsUpgrade, and right now there are 1,000 more guys who are going to complete it in the batch number 4. The all 5,000 guys who have completed with us, I would like to show you a small certification demo how that would look like. So if you go to any LinkedIn or and all, just search LetsUpgrade there, you will be able to see what kind of certification we actually generally provide. So you can just go and search about like what we say inside the LinkedIn. Inside LinkedIn, you can just go ahead and search. Now for today's attendance is marked using what we say today's attendance is marked using your social media. So just go and what we say mark it in your social media using Instagram or Facebook or what we say LinkedIn or what we say Twitter. Just go and post about us and you will be able to get to know all the things there. So sir, LetsUpgrade app, yes, we are coming up with LetsUpgrade app. 7th of June is the time when we are going to launch it. So already, yes. Now let's go ahead and start with our today's lecture. So before starting ahead, guys, you can just go ahead and what do you say that? Just let me show you a LetsUpgrade certification. How does it look like? So you as a member, so you will be able to see one of the certification which our people might have posted us. People, just a minute, let me show you a kind of small certifications which we are having along with us. You can see it there. Just okay, so this is how your certification would look like. Okay, so this is how your certification would look like. Just go and subscribe to all the channels on Instagram and all. So you have a dedicated what we say license number, and this certification is from LetsUpgrade, ITM, and NSDC and Skill India. So this is what a certification will look like. So just go ahead and you can verify the certification at any point of time. Okay, so yes, now I'll just go ahead and mark your attendance, and now let's start the whole our class today. And I'm very I am apologetic for the inconvenience started on the very day 1 itself. But we are going to make sure that it's not there on the day 2 and all. It was a small experiment which we are doing with the green screen, but it was not happening perfectly and I was not confident with that, and that's where I have asked them to change the whole setup. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Please now, okay, there is no exam fees, there is nothing like that. It's totally end-to-end free of cost. There is nothing you have to pay anyone. It's like when we say free coding school, free doesn't means like it's free of cost. It means that we are paying for that. But what we say free means mostly the freedom which you get, which one get after joining in the LetsUpgrade's whole program. So now just answer this question. What is that really one cool thing about Python made you join this program today? So just go ahead and answer this question right away. Just go ahead, guys, answer this question in the chat, and I'm going to pick up the answers and I'm going to know that. I mean, like, I'll get to know that, okay, you are understanding it, yes or no. Okay, so just go ahead and everything will be shared. Don't worry about it. What we say. Yep, now it's a 7 days course. Okay, the simplicity for AI, simple syntax, easy to start with, Python easy and understanding, emerging technology. Then afterwards automation as what we say that automation as I'm a DevOps enthusiast. Wow, great, awesome. Easy to learn, easier than C to learn. Hello, sir. Hello, hi. How are you, Rashika? And what we say then, easy then C. Then I want to build project on machine learning. That's why I'm learning this. What we say. Wow, great, amazing. Eager to learn. Very simple and most powerful, less complex. Okay, now Hussein Burman saying automation. Then Bhuvnesh is saying like what we say, data science is what made them take this program. And we have like other people also saying easy to learn. So yes, now compiling these all answers, let us go ahead and see the overview from my side. Then afterwards, like we will see that what are the basic points why a person is so much excited about learning Python. Clear? Are you okay with this speed? I mean, like at this point of time, we are only having 40 to 45 minutes class today. Generally, we used to do 2 hours lecture, but right now we are changing the format and we are coming up with like 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes format and 45 minutes format. So today day 1 class is only going to be like 45 minutes, but tomorrow henceforth onwards it will be like 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes maximum, and it will be not more than that. Okay, so that we will be giving you assignments daily which you need to submit on daily basis, and that's where we'll get up the whole certifications. Okay, so now yes, first thing, who was the person behind what is say Python? So this gentleman, who is Guido van Rossum sir, in 1990s, okay, in late 1990s, he came up with this whole thing that is known as Python as a developing language. So in 1991, it got debated in many of, it got actually appeared up in many of the forums, and that's why we credit Guido van Rossum sir for creating and developing Python. And 1991 is the time when it got surged and it got, I mean, a little bit name. But it became famous in near about 2006. It didn't got famous in 1991. It got famous in near about 2006. It was built in 1991, but it got famous in 2006. That means what? ये बना था 1991 में, but ये famous हुआ 2006 में. Okay, this got developed in 1991, but it got famous in 2006. So I just want you to just go ahead and Google right now itself. Okay, just I want to go and Google right now itself why a person is what we say that why a person why Java got developed in 1995 and had 3 billion devices quickly. But what was that one thing which made Python developed in 1991 but it got lately famous? So what was that thing actually made? So I just want this answer. Just go ahead and Google right now. Just go ahead and Google. Why I say Google is because Googling is what makes a perfect developer. It is nothing apart from that. So just go and Google right away and get me the answers. Okay, just get me the answers right away. Why Google? Just go Google it ahead. The answer is like what we say that I'm just giving it out right now itself. So yes, I will just count till 10 seconds and all the answers which I'll get in 10 seconds will be like there, and apart from that I'll just go and reveal it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the answer is in 2006. Okay, in 2006 something very much miraculoustic happened. So now as Shreyas Deshmukh and other people are also saying it, Prathamesh Pawar is also mentioning it up. 2006 Google started using Python very much. So now when you see Java, Java has been like what we say backed up by Sun Microsystems. So Java is backed up by Sun Microsystems. Okay, so Sun Microsystems is a very big company itself. So now Sun Microsystem was the company which was backing up Java, that made Java very famous. But Google then afterwards came up in 2006 and said that, hey guys, let me just what we say that like back Python, because Python is very easy. So that's where like Python got very famous. Clear? So now let's go ahead and see quickly what are advantages of Python. Today's whole class is for to onboard you all. Okay, today's whole class is to onboard you all with me and all with Let's Upgrade. So that's what is today's whole class is all about. Just go subscribe, guys, subscribe to Let's Upgrade channel, and this is the place where you will be getting all the notifications. From tomorrow we will be starting the actual programming. Today it's only till 12 o'clock the class will end up, so till it's like 12 or like 12:10, 12:20 max, and till 12:20 you all will be there understanding why Python and why to learn Python and all. Okay, so yes, advantages of Python: developers can learn it very very quickly. First advantage. Second advantage, typically involves very less amount of code. It involves very less amount of code. बहुत थोड़ा सा code होता है. చాలా కొంచెం కోడ్ రాయాలి మీరు ఫర్ పైథాన్ రాదర్ దెన్ జావా. కొంచెం కోడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ తమిళ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సే. कन्नड़ प्लीज हेल्प मी अप गाइज, मलयालम प्लीज हेल्प मी अप. एंड तुम्हाला बहुत कमी कोड लिवा लगते पाइथन मध्ये as compared to Java. That's where you actually go up with this. And now third point is syntax is easier to read. Okay, now syntax is easier to read. That's where the whole point is. If at all you see, this is a small syntax of Python, which is very way easier than anything else. Okay, so now just letting go ahead. This is the third point. Fourth point is utilized by every major technology company these days because of machine learning, because of statistics, because of these all crazy things coming up right now into the market. These technology giants are using Python like something. If someone is using Python like something, then obviously it's like a trending topic to learn already. Okay, that's where we are learning Python today. Now going ahead, huge amount of additional open source libraries. The fifth point is huge amount of additional open source libraries are there. That means like what? Someone somewhere sitting at some point of time had coded what exactly you are thinking right now in your mind. For example, you want to read a PDF. The PDF reader is already there in Python right now. Let me just go ahead and show you a small example of what I'm talking. So just go to pypy.org. So pypy.org. So if at all you go here, you will be able to see a small website where you are seeing that so these many projects are there in with Python, which a general person can actually go and learn from. So if at all you are a Python enthusiast, you can go to pypy.org. You can just go to PDF reader. So these are known as libraries. So these many libraries, more than 2 lakh, 37,000 libraries are been built on Python, which you can actually import and you can use it very easily. So that's what makes Python more lovable language, and I love Python like something. So there are more other languages like Python, like JS, JavaScript is also very much famous and all. So we are launching free coding school for JavaScript also guys very soon. So be excited about it. So it is also going to be end-to-end free, and the people who are going to take it as Viral Patel and other guys. Okay. Now, so yes, now what we say that it's a time for our first quiz. So just let me go ahead and put up the quiz right away. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to make the quiz right away aired here. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, just give me 1 minute guys. I need to just get the code of that quiz which I have hosted for you all to play. So whatever I have said right now, the first 5 points, what are the 5 points why we should be learning Python? Just go ahead and let us summarize. The first one is it's very easier to use. Second, it involves less amount of code. Third, it is like what we say. What was the third point? What was the third point? I forgot. What was the third point? Just go ahead and give me the answer. What was the third point? So just put up the third point right now. So the third point is I'm just airing up the Kahoot quiz right now, so that it's just give me 1 minute. I'm getting you the Kahoot quiz link, so that you can play the game, and the people who will play the game and will be like they will be awarded what we say. They will be awarded LetsUpgrade coins, which can be used for redeeming your free of cost programs going ahead. Okay, so I'm just putting it up right now here. This is the game pen. Okay, so the game pen is already there here. So now let me just go and air it back. Okay, so now I hope that you are able to see my screen. So this is where your Kahoot is. So just go to your Chrome browsers. I will show you how to play this. Okay, how to play. So now go to kahoot.it. Okay, go to kahoot.it. This is the website you will be seeing here. So now I'm just reloading it in my. This is the website you will be seeing in your mobile phones. Okay, just go to open up kahoot.it and put this game pin 0609 6005. Okay, enter this enter your name. It will ask for your nickname. What is the nickname you want to play with? So it will be asking you a name here. So just go ahead and play this thing. The people who will play, they will be getting awards from us. So I am also playing along with you guys right now. So there are only 6 questions which you need to play right now, and go ahead and answer that 6 questions. It's like Python basics. So just go ahead and have your own Kahoot quiz there. Okay, so this is the Kahoot credentials. Community guys, please, community moderators, please put up the answers in what we say chat right now. Not answers, so like just put up the game pin in the chat and with the Kahoot link so that they can go ahead and play it. So just go ahead guys and play this thing. You will be able to see this thing. Yes. Now, okay, so in the meantime, you all are like playing this Kahoot quiz and all. I just want you to guys go and experiment. Let me go ahead and explain you about few other things. In kind of like what we say, which I wanted to, how to be in touch with Let's Upgrade all the time. Now it's not only the YouTube which you all have to be in touch with us. It's also there, like you have to subscribe to our community. So you have to go to community.letsupgrade.in. The link is already there in the description of this what we say video. There are only 2 links where you need to go and follow us. One is community.letsupgrade.in. Go and make your account there. Second is join our Telegram channel. Okay, you will get all the notifications every point of time. Join our Telegram channel. So Telegram joining is secondary part. First is go and join the community.letsupgrade.in. This is the place where me and other fellow trainers will be live. So you can ask us any kind of question at any point of time, and yes, that's where it will be. Now yes, here you can join this group that is known as Free Coding School. Just go ahead and join this Free Coding School as a group, and you will be able to get all the kind of like what we say knowledge here, all the question answers and everything. You may be having any point of time any kind of question that will be answered up here quickly. So just go ahead and please join this thing. Okay, I have already given you the whole links. It is in community.letsupgrade.in, and join this Free Coding School group. That's it. Okay, so let me just go back again to my what we say PPD. Sir, I played the quiz. Now yes, we will be all what we say that you all will be like getting winners and all. You can play the quiz at any point of time. This is the quiz link. You can just go and play it. Now let me just go ahead and start with the other topics. Just let me have water. Okay, how to install and write Python code. So we will install Anaconda distribution. So we are going to install Anaconda distribution for our writing down the code. Clear? Is it clear to every one of you? So now what is Anaconda? Now what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a snake, but apart from that, what is Anaconda? What is Anaconda? Anaconda distribution. Just let's go and Google it up right away. Okay, so just a minute. Anaconda. Anaconda. Okay, just I'll put up Anaconda here. So you are seeing Anaconda also, but yes, anaconda.com. That's where is the all popular and rocket scientist in Python. Actually, go and see that. Okay, so now just go and click on this open what is the individual edition. So now what is Anaconda? I will explain you. Okay, so now Anaconda is an open source distribution. You can actually go to python.org. I mean, you can go to Python directly, and you can go to python.org and you can download Python directly into your terminal. But if at all you download Python into your terminal, you need to run this like this way. Just go to your terminal, and what we say that you can run this thing that way. Okay, so like this, you can run it like this, in which what we say that Python. So this is the proper way to run Python inside the terminal. Okay, but if you want to run Python with like directly in some kind of like what we say, this is the way. I mean, you can run Python here, but I don't want you all guys to like go and mess up. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you all are having a ease of access to actually install anything, and that's where is like when I'm saying that we will be installing Anaconda. I mean, you can go and install this also, but I would like to prefer you all guys to go and install this Anaconda. So now what Anaconda will give us, I'll show you that thing. Okay, so now if at all Anacon Anaconda, so I'll open up Anaconda in the meanwhile. So you can download Anaconda using this. Okay, you can download Anaconda for your own machine, Windows, macOS, and Linux. So now, what is Anaconda is for? Anaconda is a distribution which has been used by all the data science guys, data scientist guys from across the globe, where actually they can write the code and they can see it in the directly. So all the big libraries, we have seen that 2,37,000 libraries are there. Okay, 2,37,000 libraries are there. Now the 2,37,000 libraries, the top performing libraries, like let us say 1,000 libraries or let us say 500 libraries, are already installed in what we say in the Anaconda distribution, which actually makes us like easy to use. We don't need to install everything at again and again. So we have to install it only once and we can use it forever. So it's just like all the top-notch libraries are already there in. So now let us open up Anaconda Navigator. That's what the whole software will be. And if you install Anaconda, just go and install Anaconda. It will download the whole what we say software. Just go and download it for your own purpose, and you will be able to see that. At this point of time, any questions, guys? Till now, any questions? Just put up in the chat right now. I would love to answer them. If at all you want to have any kind of, yes, install what we say that 3.7, guys. Install 3.7. Don't install anything else. Don't install 3.7. Don't install backward. Install 3.7. Yep, that's where it is. How to log in for, okay, now some person is asking like, how can I actually access, how can I run this the same thing over mobile phone? I will answer this in a meanwhile, so don't worry about it. I'll answer it in a just meanwhile. So this is how your Anaconda would look like. Okay, if at all you will install Anaconda, this is how your Anaconda will look like. Clear? This is how your Anaconda will look like. Okay, so till now everyone is with me, guys. Just put up a small yes if at all you are all with me. Just go ahead and put up a small yes if at all what we say that you are with me. Just go ahead and we will be announcing the Kahoot winners tomorrow. So today we are not announcing any Kahoot winner. Till night you can play the Kahoot game. Tomorrow morning in the class 11 a.m. I will be announcing the Kahoot winners. Clear? So till now every one of you are with me. I hope that every one of you are with me. All the 770 guys who are live right now, they are all with me. Okay, just go ahead and post it in your Instagram, other channels, guys. I want to be like this Let's Upgrade as an impact making and the freedom of education kind of startup which we have started is growing like something, and you all are a part of this Let's Upgrade to upgrade your own careers. That's where it is. Now yes, Anaconda have this distribution includes Python as well as many other useful libraries including Jupyter. Okay, you can download Anaconda on any of the operating systems, Windows, Mac OS or Linux, and you have to install 3.7 version. Now how to run actually Python code? Now we are done with what we say installation of Anaconda. I suppose that you all downloaded it and you have done next and you have completed. If at all you want to see how to actually install Anaconda and all, you want to have a tutorial, we already have a tutorial in the YouTube channel itself. Just go ahead, guys, and what we say that you can actually see the tutorial how to install Anaconda in various at least in Windows we have done it. Okay, you can just go ahead. And what about attendance? From tomorrow we will be very 100% behind the attendance. Today the attendance factor is not there. And yes, one more thing, guys, for you all, making the ease to you all, you can watch the recorded video, but I will hate if you watch the recorded video and you don't attend the live class. It's a mandate for everyone to attend the live class and give the attendance, so that what happens is that you actually connect with me and you ask questions to me and I can solve your questions at that point of it. So that's where I love teaching you all, guys. So just make sure that you all are like very much attending in the live classes, not the recorded classes. The live classes will be there in the YouTube for you to refer it back, but going and seeing the recorded one, I will not appreciate that. Today's class is more to just be friends and what we say that get onboarded on a mutual platform, that from tomorrow onwards we run behind our coding, and tomorrow onwards we start achieving what we have to. So today it's like 50% of the knowledge, but from tomorrow it will be like 90% of the knowledge and 10% of these kind of talks. Okay, so this is where it is. And yes, let me just go ahead and let's start. So the other topic, how to run Python code. This is a very big topic. Okay, how to run Python code. Okay, now for running any kind of code in your particular machine or in your PC or desktop and anywhere, You require a code environment. What does that require? You require a code environment. Now, who is going to answer me what is code environment? What is code environment? Just give me the answer in the chat right away. What is code environment? Please answer me this in the chat right away. What is code environment? Please answer this. I am waiting for your answers. Okay. Okay. Kahoot quiz is not compulsory, but I would love if you will go to and participate there, because we want every one of you to brush up on your skills. That's where it is. Okay. So in LinkedIn, you can just go and find Let's Upgrade and you can tag it. It's very, very easy. Just go and find Let's Upgrade and you can tag it. So now what's a code environment? Just go and go Google it out, right? Go and Google it out. What is code environment? Don't look up for answers here. You have to be a great programmer, then you need to know how to use Google, because great programmers use Google. It's all about logic which they build, but most of the time it's all about Google. So yes, the environment where we can run our code and compile. Okay. Okay, so one of the person, Shweta had answered that the like a platform where we can actually go and compile and run our code. That's what is known as a code environment. Okay, but apart from that, online compiler uses no. Code environment where we read, write and execute the code. Okay. Okay, so just let us give you a small example. Okay, I will share you a small story for 1 minute. We all understand human language. You all are understanding English right now. You all are understanding. तुम्हाला मराठी येते, మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చు, Tamil, what we say that you know Tamil, and what we say that you know Kannada, you know Malayalam, you know Hindi. So this is like a language which is there coded in our minds. Okay, so that's where it's a like small language to language interface which we are creating. But a human language to a computer language is like literally what we say blank question mark, because always computer understands compiling languages, compiling code, that is compiler code. Okay, so all your language needs to be converted into compiler code. So this compiler code thing can be done only using a code environment. Now what is a code environment? Code environment is a place in a normal language, I'm saying, is a place where you can write your code. You can run your code. Run in the sense you can convert that code into a compiler code, and that compiler machine code, and then compile it back and again send it to the visual interface that okay, this is the output of the code. So this code environment does it all for you. So there is a particular requirements for the different code environments. For example, Python requires a minimum of like what we say 2 GB of RAM to be installed to working on properly, and these all things, and these are the very, very minimalistic code environments which are required. Okay, so the 2 GB is not managed for like smooth data science processing I'm talking about. Okay, there are 3 types of code environments which you can use. Okay, there are 3 types of code environments. The first one is text editor, second one is full IDE, third one is notebook. Okay, now let us go and see one by one each. Okay, so now what is that? What you say? Hey, Sweta Shrekar, what is text editor? For example, okay, text editor is an editor, general editor for any text file. Okay, you all know txt, now you know, I mean like notepad editor, notepad. Okay, notepad, like text notepad. Okay, in Windows you have it, right? 90% of the public may be using in Windows, and you have what we say in Linux you have your other notepad like things. I mean most of the thing we do it with the help of like what we say terminal in Mac and Linux, but at the same point of time you can create a new document and all. So you can open up any kind of document in your notepad and save it as a particular what we say .py file for Python, .html for HTML file, .java for Java file, .js for JS file, what we say .c for C file. Okay, and CPP for C++. So this is like you can do all these things with the help of a notepad editor. Okay, you can do all these things with the notepad editor. So now we wanted to have a notepad, a text editor. This notepad is what is a text editor, right? These are general text editors where actually you can write any kind of thing, and works with variety of file types, as I said, and can be customized with plugins and add-ons. Okay, a text editor is a place where you can just have, it's a kind of a general editor. For example, I use mostly what we say is that Visual Studio Code. Hey, Visual Studio Code VIS. Hey, Visual Studio Code is like somewhere gone, I think, right now. So I need to, yes, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we use Visual Studio Code mostly for I love Visual Studio Code for my own work purpose and all. So this is how a new you can write any, you can actually put up any kind of file anywhere. So for example, if I do Control S, so it will ask me like, okay, what is that you want this file to be saved as? Okay, so I am saving this file as what we say, this test file, test file dot py. So okay, so now you can save any kind of file and you can actually work with them. So that's where this text editor are. This is what a text editor looks like. Now you can run you can save this thing and you can run it with the help of a terminal also. So see here, like you have run this thing. So I'll teach you how to use a text editor also. I'll teach you, but text editor is a place where you can actually go and write any kind of file. You can I mean go and create a new file with the help of right now. Okay, just you can go to this file and new file, and you can also have a kind of what we say JS file also. You can create as this is a JS file dot JS. Okay, so now this is a whole JS file. Now this is a Python file also can work here, JS can also work, so anything can be console.log. I mean this is JS code which we are having. So hi. So now I'm not having a compiler with me here, that's where I need to run it in my what we say Chrome and all. So yep, so now this is a JS file you can edit, this is a Python file you can edit any kind of file in your text editor, and you can customize it for your own needs. That's what is known as a text editor. I hope that you have understood text editor. Any question in that text editor right now till this point? Any questions in text editor? Text editor, any questions guys? Just put up here right now. I'll just go and answer it. Now let us move on to what is a full IDE. Okay, what is a full IDE? A full IDE, what does this IDE means? Okay, what does first thing is like IDE means? Okay, so what is IDE full form? Just go ahead and put up a small what we say, what is IDE? What is IDE? What is IDE? So yep, IDE is integrated development environment. Okay, integrated development environment. PyCharm and Spider. PyCharm and Spider are the two biggest example of like integrated integrated development environment for Python. So these are the development environment which are specifically built for Python only. Okay, these are only specifically built for Python only. You can only run Python code in this. Clear? You can only run Python code in this. You can't run anything else. Okay, so that's where it is what we say development environments designed specifically for Python. It is being used by larger organizations for coding in larger piece of codes. Like for example, what we say, these are the very big what we say programs, a kind of like APIs building, or like what we say Django files, or like various kind of thing. So this has been dedicatedly coded for that large programs. Okay, and lastly we have designed specifically for Python with lot of extra functionalities. Now when we say text editor can support JS also, py file also and all. So it is not specifically designed for what is a Python, but this IDE, okay, an IDE is like where you have everything like code compiler, code runner, code what is suggestion, and various different things. We will be also working with Spider in this whole thing. So for example, to just show you a small thing, we have here like Spider. We can launch Spider right away. So Spider is a what we say integrated development environment for Python. And lastly, okay, now let us these are the two examples. Apart from that, you can also give other example. Sir, can I use PyCharm instead? Yes, you can use PyCharm. You can use, we will be using notebook environment. So now here is the what we say, this is how your Spider is looking like. So it has like dedicated what we say debugger, dedicated console, dedicated place where you can actually write your code. For example, print the same code, print hi. Okay, so you have saved this thing, you run this thing, run. So see now, I mean like this is how it is like totally running up, and if at all you can do it. It is totally possible on a like a console which is there only for what we say our Python. Okay, now let us go ahead and see what is notebook environment. Why we love notebook environment? We all are going to actually use notebook environment. So if you will see what is notebook environment, so I just want you all guys to use this community thing. What is notebook book environ environment. Okay, so fine, it is not there, so I'll only create a small feed. I can go to LetsUpgrade and I can answer that thing right away. So I'll answer your query right away here, going to my LetsUpgrade community. So for example, I'll take the topic, that is Python. I just want what we say to answer this thing. What is okay, so what is notebook environment? I hope that you can see this thing. Okay, so the answer is guys, notebook environment, notebook environ is used for writing the code. I'm just giving you the full notes here. Okay, writing the codes on the go and for building what we say, building seamless learning experience, okay, learning experience. I'll modify this thing. Okay, so now where you can write the code and see the output. Okay, so now you can see the output side by side. Okay, so develop what we say, data scientists love this because they can see I'm giving you notes here guys, so I mean you can refer to this notes any point of time, and you can actually these are the notes which will be useful for you in your exams. Okay, so data scientists love this because they can see the code performance after every step. So if at all I have to post the same thing in Python group, let me just go to my groups and I'll post the thing here. Okay, so you can get all the questions and everything here. Just go and I'll just post it. So what is notebook environment? I just posted it. You can refer to these kind of answers and you can join this community. Okay, so I just answered you. These are great for learning. See input or output next to next, support inline markdown notes, and what we say special formats that are not py. So we will see what is notebook environment. Let me just launch a notebook environment right away. Okay, so just if at all you open up your Anaconda navigator, inside your Anaconda navigator you will see a Jupyter notebook. Just go to Jupyter notebook and launch it, and it will launch the whole thing inside your what we say, this particular Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, now what I am doing, please see it very carefully. Okay, so now I'm just going to what we say new. I am creating a folder. Okay, so here one untitled folder may be present. Now the untitled folder number, whatever the untitled folder, and I'll go here and I'll select this rename. Now I'm showing you how to use a Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now rename this file. I'll just rename it as let's lub4. Okay, lub4 Python. Okay, let's upgrade batch 4 Python. So here my folder will be somewhere. So just 1 minute. lub4 Python. So now here just go ahead and create this notebook 3. Okay, so now this is how a small stuff, you just have to install Anaconda. After installing Anaconda, you need to open up your Jupyter notebook, and after opening your Jupyter notebook, create a new folder. Inside that new folder, create a new Jupyter notebook file, and just we need to rename this class 1 lufcs Python b4. Okay, so I've just named it, for example, my own purpose. Like now whatever the code we were writing, now print hi. So you are seeing as soon as you write this code, you are able to see the output here only. Okay, whatever code you are writing, you are able to see the output there, then and there itself. So what happens is, you don't have to actually go run the whole code and wait for it go and what we say, you don't have to what we say, print 700, and you don't have to wait for the whole program to be written. And then for example here, see what I'm doing is I'm writing down the whole program, and then I'll go and run this thing, Sai loves teaching. Okay, so now I just have to I will be able to run the whole thing at once. Okay, I can run everything at once. See, everything is coming in here at once. nothing is coming up what we say one by one. So if at all I want to see what will happen after writing this, what will happen after writing this. Okay, now for example, what will happen after writing, I can run this, and what will happen after writing this, I can run it here. So you are seeing the difference right now. You have to write everything together in this what we say Jupyter, like in what we say your integrated development environments or text editors. Even you have to do the same thing here. If at all you are working with what we say your integrated development environment or notebook editor or what we say text editor. So you have to do it all. You will be getting is like one same time you will be having all the outputs. Okay, these are not the outputs you will be having one by one. This is the way. If you at all you want to see, you want to write a piece of code and you want to see the output then and there itself, it is possible only with the help of notebooks. Okay, you can write down here other stuff apart from code also. You can take down notes also. For example, markdown is there. Hi guys, this is the way you will understand to take notes. Clear? So this is a notes. Okay, how you would take notes in your notebooks. The same way you can actually go and have your own headings for a particular topic. For example, hi there, this is a heading. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so this is a small heading which we have created. So we can put up other yes, text like this, double hash, and it should come up. You're seeing. So you can have your own headings, you can have your own what we say a code block, you can have your own output block, you can have everything at one point of time. So I hope that you have understood till here, guys. Every one of you have understood till here. Every one of you have understood till here. Raw NB convert. Okay, now this we will cover up later, guys. Okay, I don't want you guys to confuse right now at the very first class, so don't worry about that. Ashima Gupta, I'll teach that whole thing one by one. We will go one by one. We will not do everything at one shot. Okay, you can refer to all the notes whatever we have taught here in the what we say this PPTs. Each and every slide will be there in this group. You have to join in community.letsupgrade.in group, and you will be having all the major topics here. I will be posting in the answers just after the class. Clear? So even all the notes and everything will be there here itself. All the links, description, everything is there here. You can join in our course PPT. What we say our joining in our Telegram, joining in our what we say this group. Everything is there in here. Just go ahead and see review this one point of time. So social media links, everything, just join our Telegram if at all you want to play games daily and all. We do quiz daily at there, so you can play and you can win exciting prizes. So yeah, so now let us set up what Anaconda for Python. Set up Anaconda for Python. So we have already seen that how to set up Anaconda for Python. It's like you just have to go to products and individual product, and this link you will be able to get a downloader. Just go and download this graphic installer. Don't go command line installer, graphic installer. If you will download, you'll be getting that next now, which we play with, right? So that kind of environment you will get, and you will be able to install it. Okay, so now if at all you have any kind of doubts, or any kind of troubles, so this is a page where you can go and troubleshoot it. But I'll just put it right away in the community so that you can have this thing there. So what we say like troubleshooting. So yes, I have already troubleshooting with Anaconda. This is the particular link where you need to go. I already gave you the link there. So just go ahead, and if at all you're not getting any kind of answer, just go and come post the question here. It may be possible that in YouTube we will not be able to cover all your question and answers. So if at all you want us to cover all your question and answers, just go ahead and post your questions here. We will be answering your each and every question, and I would love it, to just say one thing that please answer. If at all you know any kind of question, go and answer it here. Okay, just go and answer it here. And for example, what may happen is like, okay, some kind of question is there. Okay, you want like that, you know the answer to this. I'll appreciate if at all you go and answer it there then and there itself. Clear? So answer it, guys. You will be getting coins, and using that coins you can get our free of cost other programs. Clear? So that's the way it will be working up. And going ahead, what we say that I don't want to run Anaconda. Okay, now I don't want to download Anaconda. How can I run this code in PC or mobile phone? I don't want to. There may be classic case where I don't want to run. There may be classic case where you don't want to install Anaconda. At that point of time, what you have to do is go to Google Colab. Go to this Google Colab, and this is a Google Colab is a place where you can actually go and create your own notebook, and we can run it at any point of time from anywhere. You can actually access this thing lub4 lub4 Python. Okay, so just new notebook. I have created a new notebook. So my new notebook is getting created on what we say Google Colabs. So just go ahead guys and have a look at it. If at all you can run the same thing using your mobile phones. So you just have to search Google Colab. Just go ahead and search Google Colab. Okay. So if at all you search Google Colab, you will be able to see this. Log in into that and you will be able to run the same thing. Whatever we are running in here, you will be able to run the same thing in your Google Colab also. For example, let me just go ahead and run this code. So see, now you will be able to run. It's little bit delayed version of what we are doing because it goes to cloud and gets the answer to you. So that's where it is. But apart from that, if at all you want to actually utilize this, you can. Okay, it's very nice software by Google, which is very useful for a lot of people. Love FCS and what we say print hello. So now see that we are running this whole thing in Google Colab. Okay, so now this is all happening up in Google Colab. FCS B4. Okay, I just renamed it so that you will be able to see this thing wherever you want to use it. Clear? So now let us go ahead and open notebook. So yes, I want to show you like how it will look like in my mobile phone. If at all you're not having your laptop and all, just go ahead guys and you can utilize the same thing over your mobile phone. Yes, see, so it's in my mobile phone right now. Okay, so you just have to find Google Colab and you will have to sign in from the same accounts, both the places, desktop and mobile, and you will be able to run it. Clear? Set? I hope that I have answered your question. So now let us go ahead and see what is there for tomorrow. So yes, now that's all for today. Nothing else apart from that for today. Okay, so tomorrow we will be meeting and I'm open for taking up all the questions. Okay, so whatever you have learned today, let us see that. I don't want it to overburden you. So that's it. I mean, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If at all you don't subscribe, then you will not be able to getting the what we say link and all. Subscribe daily 11 a.m. in the morning for next 7 days. Apart from Sunday is going to be our class, and join our community for like more and more updates and interesting content, and Instagram, Facebook and all you can join in. So share it with as many friends as you can so that they can also take up what we say advantage of this free coding school by LetsUpgrade, where we are like dedicatedly like there to teach you. So what is role of Anaconda? Anaconda is a place where you will be having, like for example, you all are like many of you may be knowing cooking, right? Now just let me relate you to the cooking. So now if at all I say that okay, I want to eat aloo curry. Okay, I just need to go and buy 100% potatoes. Okay, aloo means potato. So if at all I want to buy, I want to make potato curry. So I just need to go and buy potato 100%, that is 100% there. So I will go to market and buy potato and come back to my home. Now I will open up a YouTube tutorial and I will see that, okay, I also require coriander, like what we say that chili powder. I require salt, I require oil, and I require few other things. What I'll do, I don't have anything at my home. I'll again go back to market and I will again purchase that and I'll get back to my home and I'll then start cooking. Okay, that's the classic case. But now, if at all, I might have knew this all things together and I might have brought one whole package, aloo potato curry package, where whatever is required for making potato curry, preparing potato curry all comes under in one package. So I'll bring that package and at my home I'll see the tutorial and I'll start cooking it. Right, so that's what the difference is between installing only Python and downloading Anaconda distribution. So Anaconda distribution is what we say that your package of your like potato curry plus chili powder, salt, what we say turmeric powder and everything together coming in one package. And either what we say that if you only download Python, whenever you require any kind of top-notch library, you need to go and download it into your, for example, PDF statement reader, I need to go and download it. Or else if at all, for example, this NumPy. Okay, NumPy is a very classic library which is there in Anaconda. But if at all you don't install Anaconda, then you have to go and install it. For example, where is our this terminal? Terminal is here. You need to go and install this thing like this. Okay, so okay, just 1 minute. PIP install. So now see, you need to just go and install. Already I have installed Anaconda. That's why it is saying it's already there. But if at all you want to, what we say that install it again, I can install you back. So now as I have downloaded Anaconda, it is there in my machine. Whenever I want to start working with NumPy, so whenever I require chili powder in my curry, so I will be having it. So that's the small, what we say, differentiating factor. I hope that you all have understood. Yep, right now, let me just go ahead and open it up here. Yep. So now let's go again. How to submit the assignment. Today there is no assignment. From tomorrow onwards there are assignments are going to be there, and we are finding out a place where you can just go and submit your code, and the unit test and all runs on the code, and we will test your everything, because manual checking that all codes are like very way back hectic. 1,000 assignments come daily, and 1,000 assignments checking daily is very big thing. So that's where we will be like we are making a small portal where you can go and what we say submit your assignments. So tomorrow you will be able to see that. Okay, is this session again? We have to see how we can see this session. Okay, if the session you want to see it again, just come to the same YouTube channel where you are right now. Let's upgrade, and you will be able to see day 1 there already there present. So you will be able to see that. Okay, attendance for today is there. Or what we say that attendance for today, you have to just go and mark it in Instagram and all, and mark us, tag us there. If at all you don't want to do it, I would request you to do it. It's not a mandate today, but I just want you all guys to do it, to show your friends and family that you have started learning it. Clear? That's what is the attendance for today. From tomorrow onwards, we will be rolling out Google Form for that. And you can absolutely, Ayushi Srivastava, you can absolutely use GitHub for submitting your projects. From tomorrow, we will show you how you can do that also. Okay, so today there is no attendance, no assignment. Today it is more of a kind of friendly talk which we had, how we are going to run it tomorrow. Okay, which tag you have to tag? Let's upgrade. You will find Let's Upgrade. Just put up Let's Upgrade, and you will be no spaces in between. Write Let's Upgrade, and you will be able to see that. Clear? From tomorrow, Darshan class will be conducting the lecture, right? No, tomorrow, from tomorrow, no, Darshan class is not going to be there. I am the person who is going to take the class throughout end to end. Clear? I don't have social media. Okay, it's fine. You don't have social media. I would love you to just go and put it there. Without you don't have it, it's fine. Clear? So is there any Google form in description? Yes, there is a Google form in description. That is not mandate for today. From tomorrow onwards, it will be mandate for you all guys to go and give attendance there. Okay. Okay, thanks Prithvirajan for saying that. I love teaching, and that's where it is. Now, okay guys, now that's what, and we will break for today. Tomorrow morning 11 a.m. sharp, ready with your laptop, so that I will be start coding in, and tomorrow we'll be coding in. So just to show you what we are going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow's our whole agenda will be this. Okay, we'll be starting with data structures, then variable assignments, file handling, comparison operators, if else and elif, loops, while loops, assignment link, and community link for submitting your assignments and all. Okay, so that's where it is, tomorrow's whole class. So please be live tomorrow at the same point of time, and you will be able to see us. And if at all you want to access the PPT, the link is already there in the description. Clear? So guys, thanks a lot. Play the Kahoot, and tomorrow the winner will be announced. Bye, take care. Nandri, Dhanyavad, what we say, Dhanyabad in Bengali. Kannada, please help me. So be safe, be safe with COVID spreading across. So we will be taking it ahead. Okay. Okay, exam guys, currently we are not allowing anyone to give exam on the mobile phone, but what we say, the assignments you can submit with the help of mobile phone using Google Colab. For exams, we are not right now opening it up on the mobile phone, but going ahead we are developing something internally so that you can give the exam in your mobile phone itself. So that is coming up. Don't worry guys, it is coming up very soon. Dhanyavadalu. Okay, that's what is in Telugu, I think. The same thing is in Kannada, I think. So okay guys, thanks a lot, and we will be going ahead with other stuff. That's it guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. How can I join this session? You can join the session, just subscribe to YouTube. You will be, I'm saying it, subscribe to YouTube because you will be getting all the notifications from YouTube directly. And you can join the class tomorrow 11 a.m. morning. Same Let's Upgrade channel. You will be, I'll be live there tomorrow. Bye. Machine learning course is coming up, guys, very soon. Machine learning, artificial intelligence course is also coming up very soon. Just be subscribed in. You will be getting to know it very soon. I'll be announcing it in the whole due course in the whole program itself. So yep, I'll be announcing it very soon. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care. Bye bye. Take care, guys.